The Kawasaki Z900 is not just a motorcycle. It's an attitude on two wheels, a perfect combination of raw power, precision, and everyday practicality. This Streetfighter carries the soul of the legendary Z series and delivers it with modern engineering that makes it stand out in every crowd. At the heart of the Z900 lies a 948 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that produces incredible mid-range torque and smooth top-end power. The throttle response is crisp, the acceleration is instant, and the exhaust note is pure adrenaline. Deep, throaty, and perfectly tuned to excite every rider's senses. Whether you're riding through tight city streets or carving corners on the highway, the Z900 responds like a beast ready to play. Its aggressive design speaks the language of dominance. The signature Sagami styling gives it a muscular, forward-leaning stance that feels alive even when standing still. The sharp LED headlamp, sculpted tank, and compact tail section give the Z900 a look that commands attention from every angle. Kawasaki has balanced this bold styling with rider-friendly ergonomics. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and slightly rear-set foot pegs offer a perfect mix of comfort and control, making it ideal for both short rides and long journeys. The technology on the Z900 ensures confidence in every ride. It comes with Kawasaki traction control, multiple riding modes, and a TFT color display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to sync your smartphone through the Radiology app. You can monitor bike data, track performance, and even adjust settings from your phone. The lightweight trellis frame contributes to excellent handling, while the suspension setup, 41mm inverted front forks and a horizontal backlink rear shock, provides stability and precise feedback at every speed. Dual 300mm front disc brakes with 4-piston calipers ensure strong stopping power when you need it most. Overall, the Kawasaki Z900 is more than just a machine, it's an experience too.